Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay or WeChat Wallet. And in this video, I will show you how to add money into your WeChat wallet without any stress. You can add money with bank card or transfer. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on me right here. Go ahead and click on me. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on pay and services. Then go ahead and click on wallet. Then go ahead and click on balance. Then here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on top up right here. Then you'll be asked to add a debit card. Go ahead and click on add debit card. So at this point here, you'll be asked to enter a debit card in your name on your WeChat identity verification. However, it is only Chinese bank card recognized card that you can add it into these sections right here. If you do not have a Chinese bank card that is recognized by WeChat, and if you do not have a Chinese bank card on your name that you can link in right here, you have to opt in for the second option, which is funded by transfer. A situation whereby you look for a money exchanger, give them your receiving WeChat code, and they will send money into your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you need, you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or Alipay account, or you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.